So the Infinix Zero 30 5G was recently launched on the 1st of September 2023. And yeah, this device came with pretty cool specs and a decent camera as well. It sports a 108 megapixel main camera and a 50 megapixel selfie camera that can record videos up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. Though it seems like the camera is the major selling point of this device, right? But there are other cool specs you will love to know about. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Chancellor here. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick review on the Infinix Zero 30 5G. Yeah, so the Infinix Zero 30 5G is a device basically targeting content creators. I mean, it has a 50 megapixel selfie camera and a 108 megapixel main camera that can record videos up to 4K resolution at 60 fps. That's why Infinix called it a vlogging phone or a phone for vlogging either. This device actually comes in 3 different colors, which are Rome Green, Golden Hour and Fantasy Purple. Unfortunately, the Fantasy Purple color variant isn't currently available in Nigeria. So the Golden Hour variant is made up with glass on the rear and plastic on the frame, while the Rome Green comes with eco leather matte finish. Yeah, their designs are nice and cool. The display of the device is one of the key features that will interest you. Yeah, I mean it has a 6.78-inch AMOLED curved display, a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is significant than the regular refresh rate you do have on a smartphone at this price point. So you should expect a smooth performance and also a clear and vibrant image on screen since it supports 1B color and also HDR10. The display of the Infinix Zero 30 5G comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protector, which is pretty fine. Now in terms of performance, this device is pretty solid. Yeah. It actually powers the Dimensity 8020 chipset, which is a 6nm bit on process. This device comes with an octa-core processor, a Mali G77 FC9 GPU, and a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. So integrating all of that, you're actually getting a smoother performance while gaming on this device and also doing another stuff. Infinix Zero 30 5G supports 5G connectivity, and also it comes with an IP53 rating for dust and splash resistance. For the software part, it is disappointing that Infinix didn't mention any software upgrade for the Zero 30 5G. So it just runs on Android 13 based on SOS 13. The Infinix Zero 30 5G has a storage size of 12GB RAM plus 9GB virtual RAM, which is a total of 21GB RAM and 256GB of ROM to store all your files. There is no dedicated micro SD card slot for further memory expansion. Infinix didn't include that. Now, the major selling point of this device is the camera. Yeah, it sports 108 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. While on the front, it has a punch-hole selfie camera of 50 megapixel. Both the rear camera and the selfie camera can record videos up to 4K resolution at 30 or 60 fps. So if you're a content creator or a vlogger, you will definitely like to try out this smartphone. Infinix Zero 30 5G comes with an other display fingerprint sensor, and also it houses a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 67 watts charger. For the price point, this device is priced around $300, which is around 290,000 naira to 350,000 naira here in Nigeria. So guys, here comes the end of my prescription video for the Infinix Zero 30 5G. Just let me know down below in the comment section your favorite feature of this device. Please do not forget to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all as always. Peace.